Hi there! Today let's tackle a common challenge which is fixing a Facebook page that's not eligible for monetization. So if you've been scratching your head about this, then no worries as we've got a step-by-step guide to help you out. Now first things first, make sure your page is following the Facebook rules. Check for any content that might be pushing the limits and if you find any, adjust it or get rid of it. Next, take a look at your page details. You should update your profile picture, cover photo, and the About section with accurate info as Facebook likes it when you're clear and on point about what your page is all about. Now get the conversation flowing on your page. Do a regular post, chatting with your followers, and sparking some real discussion. As pages with an active audience tend to catch Facebook's eye for monetization. And now, it's a waiting game. After making these changes, give Facebook a bit to check out your page again. Just keep the content coming, keep engaging, and be patient. Facebook review pages regularly so your eligibility might change over time. In a nutshell, fixing the not eligible for monetization snag involves playing by the rules, uploading your page info, and stirring up some engagement. And that's it. Just stick with it, and over time, your page might just get the green light for monetization.